Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher. You are inside the stitchery. First of all, hi! I'm so glad to have you. I hope you come back. I'm Shannon. I'm a spoonie, somebody who lives with chronic illnesses, and I love to crochet and just try and make my life better through yarn. So if you want to join me on this crazy ride, then maybe subscribe. It could be fun. It does help me if you hit the like button if you like this video, and of course, leave a comment. I love to know what you guys think about all these videos, and so don't be shy. Even if it's just a little heart, I would love to know you were here. Here we are on the Twice Sheared Sheep website. You go to the sale page, then you want to select in stock only so you don't see anything that's already sold out. And here we go. This is everything that's left. There's still lots of row counters, tins, stitch markers for knitting and crochet. Oh, look at all these cute designs, y'all. And once they're gone for good. They're not bringing these designs back. And look at the prices. They're really, really good. These are all handmade, luxury, well-made, quality crochet and knitting notions. Highly recommend. Look at this. $11.50 was $23. And then this one over here, $12 down to $6. These are great. Remember, Christmas is coming. People have birthdays, Christmas gifts, Hanukkah gifts, office gifts, whatever. If you have a crocheter or knitter in your life, or you are one, I highly recommend this site. I hope this helped you, and please use my link in the description box if you're going to shop. Thank you so much.